his YouTube channel. Lucas didn't vlog today, so he's making chicken tenders and cookies. Oh, there's the chicken tender in question.
Just one.
This one. So right here, we have the broken floor. So if you step on it, you fall through. I think it's fun to step on, but you're not supposed to.
I don't know how many we're supposed to make. How many should we make?
I'm gonna eat 3. I'll eat 4, maybe.
No, we got them from Cast Connections, so we have a whole thing.
Do your people know what Cast Connections is?
Probably not. We can look it up.
I need sugar. You're not being a good host. I just need something to sweeten my tea. Why does no one have sugar? Bring your own sauce. Goodbye. Lucas is bad at vlogging. How do you focus it? It's not focusing. Emma, I know you're not watching this, but I miss. Oh, it's taking forever to eat up, and I'm hungry.
Oh, that's hot. That's hot. Chicken. It's really zoomed in. Well, what happens if you put aluminum foil in the oven? Do you guys know you can't put aluminum foil in the oven?